Assalamu alaikum class 3. Class 3, as you know that we have started our unit 7. Our unit 7 is going on. We have read the first page, the Green City part 1. Now move on the next page, that what happened when they saw a black box. Okay. Then Umar turned to look at his own rooftop. That was when he saw it, a big black box with a pointed top. It looked like a water tank. You see, it looked like a water tank. But it had a door in the side. Look, Rida, he called. Rida looked up from her game and noticed the big black box. What's that? She said. I don't know, he replied, but I'm going to find out. Don't go in. Don't go in, she warned as he walked toward it. I'll do what I want, he said rudely. Go back to your game console. Come back, shouted Rida, running in after him and pulling him back toward the door. Slam! The door closed behind them and an engine started. When they have entered, the door closed quickly and the engine has been started. Now what happened? It's a very... First it whirred, then it rumbled. Finally you underline these words and then you have to find their meanings from your dictionary. The dictionary also available at the end of the lesson and at the end of the book, and you can also use your pocket dictionary. Finally it roared, means it gives you a very high pitched sound. Zoom. Umar and Rida felt their stomachs sink to their feet. It's when we feel a danger, all of us we feel the same, like Rida and Umar, that our stomachs sink to their feet as the box shoot up into the sky. Wow, said Umar, smiling with excitement. We are in the rocket. We are going into space. This isn't a game, Umar, said Rida. Actually, Rida was very worried because they are not at home. That's why she was very worried about herself and her brother. But Umar is actually a very challenging boy and he take it as excitement. It's real, it's not a game. That's why she looked very worried. So what happened next when they are not in the earth? So for this you will read the next pages. Okay, after reading this page you also write date and day here. As you know that date is 19th 20th August and the day is Thursday. Okay, after you will find out the difficult words that you feel and you will underline them and write their meanings on your notebook, and then you will come on page number 59. Okay, 59, this is a word reading and spelling. Firstly read the old box, that what this box tells us. The vowels, actually this tells us vowels and consonant. What are vowels? This is very common that all the students you must know. A, E, I, O, U, these letters are called vowels, and other than all the other letters they called consonants. Okay, so keep this information in mind. It will be used in the next exercises. Underline the vowels in these box and then double the last consonant. Yes, now there is a rule according to vowels and consonant. When we add extra word in the root words, like run is a word, when we add ing here, the last letter will be doubled. Why? Keep it in mind that the rule is this: when there the last letter is a consonant and before consonant there is a vowel, the consonant will be doubled. Okay, like N is a consonant and before consonant there is a vowel, so N becoming double. And forget, as you see, T is a consonant and E is a vowel. So when we add ing here, the word become forgetting. We double this consonant and add ing here. Okay, begin. As you see, before consonant there is a vowel, that is I. So we will double this beginning. Okay, so now keep this rule in your mind. Whenever you add ing form, you must know that before consonant, if there is a vowel, you will double the consonant. Okay, in this way you will write this word as it is. And when we add ed here, also following the same rule, we'll double the last letter. With, trapped, preferred, traveled. Okay, and when we add sound, this is the same rule for all. If there is a consonant at the end of the word and before consonant there is a vowel, we will double the letter, double the consonant and add extra word. Hotter, wetter, redder, traveler. So after completing this exercise, then you will complete these sentences. Okay, and add ed. The next is add ed to following verbs. There are verbs and you have to ed here to make its past form. Double it only if there is a single consonant after the last vowel. Then use each verb in a sentence. Okay, with yesterday. Like yesterday we walked in the garden. Yesterday a bus stopped in front of my door or in front of my house. Okay, in this way you will make sentences of these words by using past verbs like stopped. You see, before this after this last vowel there is a consonant, but you see I just add ed. I not double this k because before consonant there is another consonant. Okay, and in help also before consonant L is also a consonant, so we will not double this p. Helped, just add ed here. So make sentences of these ed form words and also complete this sentences.